Join us on track at Blackhawk Farms Saturday, July 17th in South Beloit, Illinois, just north of Rockford. Just bring your car, a certified helmet, and the registration link is in the video description below. How's it going there?
I can't get up.
You can't get up? Is that what you said?
Mm-hmm.
You want those keychains? I'm following, I can't get up?
Yeah.
So I can't even get like a finger. I can't even get my finger, like a pinky, between the tire and the wheel, or the tire and the shock strut here. So it's gonna have to use a spacer. So got the 20mm spacer back there, back on. I'm going to remove the airbox here and get to the engine mounts. So this, all the way down here, that right down there is the engine mount I will be attempting to replace right there. Hold on by that bolt right there. There's a better shot. Yeah, it is very torn, that engine mount. So first I'm going to lift up the engine a bit, then back out that screw or that nut, and then replace it. I know this isn't really the way you're supposed to do it, but that's okay.
I struggled with this for far too long, but this is how long of an extension I had to use with a breaker bar.
Is looking rough. It's just completely removed. It's good. It's right here. Finally got it, literally just now.
Boom. Out. Gross. Not functional.
Here's a new one. It might need to be lifted up a little more. The engine, that is. Yeah, it's got to go up a significant amount more. I don't see a way that this is going to work very easily. Unless we can get it another inch, really.
You taking your car? Of course. So what are you taking off?
That bolt where my shadow is.
Uh-huh.
That bolt.
Okay.
And the two on the other side, right there.
Okay.
And the other.
And only 3 of those are holding it on?
4 of them. This is going with my hands somehow. There we go. It's okay, one more to go. These swivel things are nice until you can't get them to cooperate. Then they're not very nice. Time to tighten those 2 bolts up. Wanna do it?
Nope.
Why not?
If you get out of the way, I will.
Okay. Wow, I can really feel the engine now. Jeez, those solid motor mounts. Holy. Wow. Okay.
For some reason, this alignment shop in Fairfield decided they weren't able to complete an alignment, which wasted an entire day and came with a special surprise that I'll show you in a minute.
All right, it's another day. Today is going to be day 4, technically. I'm working on this car. And what we are going to do today is build brake lines. That might be it.
Remember that surprise that I mentioned while going to and from that alignment shop that was not useful? That's right, I got a nail stuck in my front right tire, just within the 7 miles to and from that useless shop. Needless to say, I was not very happy.
I really wish there were, I don't know, not nails in the road. Yep.
Oh. Well, I need to get this patched. I need to get my brake lines done. Then I need to put this on a trailer. After it's remounted, put on an alignment rack. Then down to the track on Friday. Convex mirror's probably not going to happen. So just transmounts, that's pretty much it.